friends, welcome to our channel. And today, as you know, that I'm gonna draw a dragon, and it's not a dangerous dragon, rather it's a funny dragon. So I have a story with his eyes. Now trying to draw his face before. Just like a crocodile. And here I'm drawing the dragon's big horn. It seems like he's smiling, isn't it? Here's his legs. And a big tail. Another leg. Okay, his body is almost done. Now I will draw his wings. Okay, my drawing is done. Let's do the outline. This is not good actually. Yeah, now it's looking a little better than before. Okay. This is how you can draw or sketch a dragon. Now let's do the outline. Is done. Let's color the dragon. I'm using a lighter purple for all over his body. Started coloring his face. I'll fill all over his body with this purple. this area of his body and his wings. Now I'm using a darker purple. And using the same pink color for his horn. And finally, this is how you can draw a funny drum. That is totally not horrible. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.